Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale project which is known as Puppy Dex. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Here we are back on the website and you can check out Puppy Dex, the fun and community driven meme coin. Join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. Powered by AI, a token built by AI and ambition. No taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, no burn or redistribution fees. The pre-sale is going to start in 4 days on PINKSALE. We will check that page later. No code, no funds, no team. A coin made by AI for public. Puppy Dex isn't backed by a big company or anonymous devs. It's powered by something more honest and ambitious, which is AI. With no prior blockchain experience, this product was built step by step using GPT's guidance, smart contract creation, tokenomic design, website and branding, community safe for standards, continuous improvements and much more. No secret team, no hype, just vision, code and future. The journey has been shared on the website. Puppy Dex is a community driven meme inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transactions fees and fixed supply, Puppy Dex offers seamless trading and a strong emphasis on community improvement involvement, aiming to build a lasting decentralized ecosystem. The mission is shown here. So Puppy Dex aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in fun community driven ecosystem. The vision is also given on the website. Now coming to the pre-sale page, you can check out it's on PINKSALE. It's starting in 4 days. The contract has been deployed on Binance Smart Chain. The social media handles are given here. Minimum buy limit is 0.1 BNB and maximum buy limit is 3 BNB. If we scroll, you can check out the soft cap is 25 BNB and hard cap is 100 BNB. Unsold tokens will be burned. Start time and end times are given here, as well as pre-sale and listing rates are also given here. Also the liquidity percentage is 70%. Liquidity lockup time is 365 days. So the product is overall looking really good. Coming back to the website, you can check out the contract address link is given here. Puppy Dex media is been given here. Also the team along with the logo details are given here. So the product is overall looking really good. According to me, it has a lot of potential as well as the use case. So make sure you check out this amazing product, and if you like the product, do some on research as well and then participate into the pre-sale. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.